Sometimes, even small cause can lead to significant changes. The Moscow government is building the medical cluster that will unite in the same territory leading clinics from all over the world, from Israel, South Korea, France, Spain, Japan, and many other OECD countries. The best foreign medical practices will be presented in Moscow. Russian patients will have the access to world-class medicine in the most socially significant areas. Russian and foreign specialists will have the opportunity to exchange their knowledge and initiate advanced medical research. The Moscow mayor, Sergei Sobyanin, noticed that this is a significant project for Moscow. The cluster will provide training for doctors of city hospitals and outpatient clinics, and advanced technologies to be used in the cluster will be then implemented in everyday practice of Moscow healthcare. Looks fantastic? It is real. First steps have already been made towards transformation of healthcare. A federal law creates special conditions in the cluster. Foreign clinics can apply their own treatment protocols and medicines and invite foreign specialists without any quotas or job permits. The first facility of the cluster has already been built. It is the diagnostic center of the Israeli clinic Hadassah, with the modern simulation center for education of physicians and nurses. In 2021, Hadassah will open the inpatient clinic of 20,000 square meters. In 2022, the first patients will visit the South Korean Smart Hospital of the Future Bundang for 260 beds. In the same year, the launch of the French Center of Medicine is planned within the area of 15,000 square meters for 40 beds under the governance of Strasbourg University, and a large educational center with various programs for physicians and nurses. By 2029, the cluster will host 10 to 15 leading foreign clinics from Israel, South Korea, France, Spain, and other countries. There is all needed infrastructure in Skolkovo Innovation Center for comfortable accommodation of patients and staff, housing, school, kindergarten, hotels, and apartments. All this will be located only 40 minutes from the city center of Moscow on 57 hectares of the Skolkovo Innovation Center. The Moscow International Medical Cluster. Let's transform healthcare together.